Back with another video. Hey, look, appreciate y'all. I definitely see y'all tapping in, liking the videos, commenting, subscribing. Appreciate y'all. Do more of that. Let me know what you want to hear and talk about. We can do that, especially business-wise, stocks, crypto. I kind of skated away from that because I'm giving more pointers on what's really going on. Carpet cleaning, home cleaning, stuff like that. Things you can actually do without the market controlling your money. That's going to be the main thing about this. Because one thing about it, the difference between you can get rich in the stock market and crypto, but that may be through time. Investing in yourself is investing in your business. So if you was looking to start a carpet cleaning business, the first thing we're going to say, this is just going to be portable edition. This is not going to be really by van. I might add a little bit of that in here because it's value. I'm only here to give value. I'm not acting like a guru. I'm just telling you what I've been through, how far I've got with the information I've gotten and done. Look, first thing you do is, honestly, because it's going to work fast, get you a portable carpet cleaner. Don't get a cheap one. That's the first thing in business I'm going to tell you don't do. Don't buy anything cheap because if it breaks fast, you'll just be buying another one. I had to learn that. Don't be cheap. I promise you. Get the best one because you're going to get the return on investment is going to come back way faster than what I'm saying with the stock market. So let's just say you buy a portable online. You see one, and I'm going to give another tip. You could use a credit card to buy the stuff I just said online. See if you had a $2,000 $5,000 limit, you bought a $2,000 portable carpet cleaner. Perfect. What I'm going to tell you is, next thing you should do is do your website. Get your website. Because people, whether you think it or not, they're looking for carpet cleaners every day. Look and see if you have a Stanley steamer in your local neighborhood. That means you have people asking for carpet cleaning all the time. And your competition will be Stanley steamer, which is nothing wrong with it. You're competing against a high level. That's not a small business. That's a big business at that point. Cool. You got your portable. Now you got your website. That website is going to be the major key. I'm telling you. So put a little money into your website. I wouldn't recommend paying for ads your first couple months, but if you want to, if you feel like you're really going to take, this is not a side hustle, this is going to be a business, run ads. It'll help you go faster. Cool, you running ads. People saying you're doing carpet cleaning. Get on your Facebook Marketplace. Get on Instagram. Get on these Snapchats. All of these, social media platforms. Let everybody know you do carpet cleaning around your neighborhood, everywhere. Social media is going to be quick because you have people all day looking for cleaning, carpet cleaning. I don't know why. Most people, they don't go to your website first. They ask Facebook. You ever seen it? People say, anybody know any cleaners, carpet cleaners? I guess because they want somebody that's already used them before, which is it's kind of dope to me because it'd be like, well, we've already used such and such. You'll see your name will get tagged when people are looking for a cleaner. Cool. That's in today's time in 2025. But I had an old tactic in 2014. If you know, you know. Door-to-door sales. COVID messed door-to-door sales up because everybody was knocking on doors previous before that. But once COVID hit, it's like everybody's sick right now. And we don't just want anybody in the house. If you know, you know. Just leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think about that. But it changed because it made everybody stop knocking on doors for a while, But then you could slowly see it started picking back up with the knocking on doors, which is cool. But now that you're going to have to do it, I'm going to recommend, please put on a polo. Do not go in no regular shirt and no shoes. I know you want to work and you know what you can do in your mind. Maybe I even used to think like that. But put on a polo. Put on some nice things because people are going to be inviting you into their house. You want to look as clean and presentable as possible. I know you may be a hustler, a boss, whatever. Dress like one. Dress like you know you're coming to get the money. And you feel good as you're working because you look good, you feel good. If you know, you know. It's like kind of playing football. If you know you dressed to peak performance, got everything you need, you're going to play at a high level because you're comfortable. Cool. You got your website, your door-to-door. There's no possible way with that information I just gave you with a portable, you don't start making money. I promise you. And the thing is, the advanced level, this is for beginners. The advanced level is buying a carpet cleaning van that already has the machine hooked up into it. You can buy one of those if you just want to go straight to carpet. I would recommend, instead of going portable for $2,000-$3,000, try to find your used van on Marketplace that already has it set up for about $6,000. I would recommend that. Go straight into the van. Because if you get that van, of course you could do, I've did lawyer offices, dentist offices, churches. I've done all of these places. The portable would take you longer. It would take, but it works. One thing about it, we're talking about efficiency and getting the stains out the floor. A portable works. The difference is with the van, you don't have to hook anything up to their floors other than water if you need water. But you don't hook anything up you just run your cords through the building, wherever you need to run it through the building, because we've ran it through windows before. I've ran it through everything. Because you might have to do the top floor. Your cords might not be long enough to get all the way. I'm talking about my biggest place I ever done was a college dorm room. Like the whole dorm. Every room from the stairs on up. You just can't run that through an elevator. You have to go through the stairs, go all the way around the stairs. That's running a portable. So that's the advance. We can kind of include it, but it's not a portable. So you kind of, like I said, go straight to the advance. Portable, more than likely, you can have a little SUV riding around with this portable. I've done it. I've done it in a car. I've had the portable in my car. That's when I first started my home cleaning, carpet cleaning business. I was in my car, literally. And if you mentally putting it in your mind that I need a truck, I need a such and such. No, you don't. No, you don't. You can literally get started with what you got. Like if you started a home cleaning business right now, you can literally start that in your car. So don't make excuses, because I'm the last one gonna give you an excuse. That's why I said I'm not gonna be on my channel acting like the guru. No, you need to do it like this. No, you need to do it like this. This just works for me. Somebody else in the carpet cleaning business, they're either gonna run the portable or they're gonna be running the van when you meet them. The most efficient ones are like Stanley Steamer running the van. So don't get that confused. That's why I said, look at the competition, see what they're doing. The best thing about it is they may not be your competition mentally, but you gotta see what they're doing. What's new in the industry that's the only thing you need to keep up with. It's like the breaking news for the carpet cleaning business. What is the newest items that are working for people's floor? Because the thing about it, for me, it's about how fast can I get out your house and have it clean. If I know it's going to take me, usually my carpet cleanings take an hour and a half. A big one, 2 to 3 hours. It doesn't really go over 4 or 5 hours unless I'm doing the schools. The schools take me all day. I've done the schools. Like I said, have your contracts ready. Those are advanced settings. Can you do a school with a portable? Yes. If you think you have to have a van if that portable works, the school, nobody cares what you're using. Long as it works and you're doing what you said you were going to do. And the thing about a portable, you can walk around with that. With the van being so advanced, you're going to have to ride from this end of the building, You can walk around with the portable. I think the portable is faster in certain situations, but the van is going to be way more hot. I know a guy, he does like 400 degrees on the floor. My machine does 200 degrees. That's what's normal. Because you can go take your carpet cleaning CCT test. I've done it. Carpet cleaning technician. You literally sit on the phone if you want to do it over the phone, or you could do it in person. I might recommend doing it in person, but it just depends on like I said, everybody's situation is different. I did mine over the phone. We all sat just like this right now. It'll be somebody over, the teacher over here, and the classmates all around the screen. It was cool. Teacher was cool. I kind of already knew about the cleaning business because I was already making money in it. It's kind of was like, cutting hair before you actually get your barber's license. That's what I mean. A lot more people are trying to wing it that way, but I'm like, let's be official. Let's actually, because there was a lot of things that I didn't know, far as like what you don't put on this carpet, what you can put on this carpet, what you don't wet this carpet so much. It's a lot of don't use less water as possible. If I could sum it all up that fast, don't use that much water. Because when you leave, some people's floors still be wet for an extra day. You want it to be dry in 4 hours. That's why some people bring those fans. It's a lot of chemicals and cleaning products for the carpet. You go look those. Before you start buying, after you buy the portable, go straight to the chemicals. Because you're going to find the customers. That's going to be the easiest part of this. Finding customers, I don't even want to stress that part. You can literally knock on everybody in your neighborhood. So you have to network. People are going to recommend you to other people. It's all on how you present your business to these people. So, hey, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think I should be talking about in this next video.